Children, I hope you all are keeping well. Take good care of yourself. Let us continue with ninth lesson, Air We Breathe. Air we breathe. Children, let us know what is air made up of. Air is nothing but mixture of many colorless gases. Suppose we are taking a bucket of full of air and we are cutting it into 5 equal parts. So one part out of the 5 would be oxygen. You know, oxygen is the most important gas for us and 75% will be nitrogen. The other gases found in the air, namely carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen, krypton, it also contains dust particles and smoke which vary from place to place. It also contains smoke as well as the germs. Children, can you see this picture? This whole part, the blue part is nitrogen and the green part which you can see here, this whole part, green part is oxygen and the red part is other gases. So children, you have to remember this, that we have nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and rest are other gases. Now let us begin uses of air. We know that air is needed for breathing and burning. Beside this, there are many other uses of air. So children, the basic need of air is for breathing and burning. Later on, we will do one activity on this, but let us see what are the other uses of air. Air brings with it the warmth of the sun, the scent of the flowers, and the sound of music. When we speak, it is the air that carries our voice to the ears of the listener. We are getting the warmth of the sun because of air. It is carrying the warmth to us. We are getting the scent of flowers, the sound of music because of air. The third use, air helps in the movement of the sailing yachts, gliders, parachutes, and airplanes, and also birds too. Bats and insects can fly due to the presence of air. You can see in the picture, children, all of these activities are possible because of presence of air. Plants produce oxygen and use carbon dioxide. And what we do? Oxygen is used by living beings and they give out carbon dioxide. This is possible because of air. Air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and many other gases. Air helps in the dispersal of seeds and the pollen of flowers. See, children, because of air, the seeds are moving from one place to another, and when they are getting the warmth of the sun and water, air, sunlight, they are growing into plants. So, the dispersal of seeds is possible because of air. This is the another picture, children. You can see it that because of air, the pollens can move from one place to another, and we are getting plants out of the seeds. The next use of air is that it plays an important role in water cycle. Children, I hope you know the process of water cycle. Because of the sun, the warmth of the sun, the water from the rivers is evaporating, and then it is condensing here and forming the clouds. When the clouds are becoming heavier, it is again coming down as precipitation in form of rain back to the land. The snow is also melting because of the warmth of the sun. So again this whole process is going on. This way we are getting water cycle. So air plays an important role in water cycle. Children, the other use of air is the wind makes the windmill rotate. The windmill is used to draw water from tube wells and to run flour mills. So, children, I hope you have understood the uses of air. Let us do a very interesting activity. Air is needed for burning. What is the aim of this activity? To prove that air helps in burning. Requirements: you can take a candle, a glass, and a matchbox. You can very easily do it at home. Method: let an adult burn the candle. Cover the candle with a glass. What you will observe? You will find that after few minutes the candle will stop burning. So, this activity proves that air is needed for burning. Children, let us see this experiment again.
Air is needed for burning. Take 2 candles. Fix them on a table. Ask an elder to light both the candles. Now cover one of the candles with a glass tumbler. What happens? After some time, you will see that the candle covered by the tumbler goes off. Why? The candle covered with the tumbler could not get air to burn. A thing can keep burning only when it gets air.
Isn't it simple, children? You have to try it at home. Children, I hope you have understood the uses of air. Let us have a quick look on the uses of air.
Uses of air. Air has many uses. Air helps in flying kites. It makes waves in the river or sea. It helps in sailing of a boat. It moves the fans of a windmill. Air helps clothes to dry. It helps helicopters and aeroplanes to fly in the sky.
It's all for today, children. Thank you, children, for watching this video.